your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you're an excellent leader. With this motivational quote, I, Yutika Bhattad,
and I, Gargi Garkil, welcome you all on the behalf of Prabhat Kids School to the school's investiture ceremony of the Students' Representative Council for the session 2024-25. It is a day dedicated to recognize and celebrate the leadership potential within our student body.
Leadership is not about being the best, it's about making everyone else better. As we gather here today, we are reminded of the words of John Maxwell. A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Today, we invest our new student council, entrusting them with the responsibility to lead, to inspire, and to serve.
This ceremony marks a significant milestone in the lives of our newly appointed leaders. It is a moment where we not only acknowledge their capabilities, but also place our trust in their vision for our school community. They are the torch bearers who will guide us through challenges and triumphs alike.
Today, we gather to witness the induction of our new student leaders who will take on the responsibility of guiding their peers and upholding our school values.
Please join me in extending a warm welcome to our distinguished guests, our school's director, Honorable Dr. Gajanan Nare Sir, Honorable Director, Mrs. Vandana Nare Ma'am, our school secretary, Mr. Neeraj Avandekar Sir, respected Mr. Ashok Dhere Sir, member of Akhil Bharatiya Natya Parishad Mumbai. He is one of the members of Prabhat's Charitable Society. Respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Vrishali Wagmare, respected Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Archana Belsare, respected Manager, Mr. Abhijit Joshi Sir, Senior Coordinator, Mr. Muhammad Asif Sir, and all our dear and proud parents. Your presence here today is a testament to your commitment to education and leadership. Let's have a huge round of applause for them.
We are excited to witness the passing of the torch from our outgoing leaders to the new team. This ceremony marks an important milestone in the journey of our student leaders, and we are thrilled to have you share this moment with us. Thank you for joining us. Now, let us commence the ceremony with enthusiasm and joy. Please take your seats and let the proceedings begin.
The event in which legacy of shouldering the responsibilities continues and is proudly carried forth by the upcoming, budding and confident members of the SRC. Our NCC members are escorting our new SRC team for the session 2024-25 towards the dais.
House captains and assistant house captains of houses blue, green, red and yellow respectively.
Approaching towards the dais are
the Blue House Captain, Master Anay Bachuka. The Blue House Vice Captain, Miss Maitri Gavande.
The Green House Captain, Master Sunny Dhavle. Green House Vice Captain, Miss Ahana Ginode.
The Red House Captain, Master Shaunak Shingru. The Red House Vice Captain, Miss Saili Raut.
The Yellow House Captain, Master Tanish Korde. Yellow House Vice Captain, Master Aditya Gurudasani.
They are being followed by the various ministers marching towards the dais. Sports Minister, Master Aditya Kotarwar.
Safety and Security Minister, Master Atharva Tazare.
Food Minister, Master Vedant Taide.
Health and Environment Minister, Miss Namrita Patil.
Language Minister, Master Meet Goda.
Media Minister,
marching towards the dais with perfect coordination and confidence. Now we have with us the
Head Girl, Miss Janvi Maske.
Head Girl, Miss Sara Lahole. Head Boy, Master Vinay Borkar.
Marching towards the dais with optimistic attitude and shouldering responsibilities with unwavering commitment.
Next, I take the privilege to invite our today's guest on the stage. I request respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Roshali Wagmare, Vice Principal Ma'am, respected Archana Belsere, Manager Sir, Mr. Abhijit Joshi, Senior Coordinator, respected Mr. Mohammad Asif, to honor the stage by their gracious presence and be seated. Dear audience, let us welcome them with a clapping ovation. I request all the honorable dignitaries to please be seated.
Our new SRC team is ready before us. The Student Representative Council, that is SRC team, is important because it provides a student voice,
Develops leadership skills,
organizes events and activities,
supports student well-being,
facilitates student-teacher communication,
contributes to school improvement,
fosters community service,
promotes inclusivity and diversity,
develops valuable skills,
empowers students to take the ownership of the educational experience.
In short, the SRC team plays a vital role in enhancing the school experience and fostering a positive school culture. Let me take this privilege to introduce all of them. Head boy, Master Vinay Borkar. Head girl, Miss Sara Lahore.
Assistant head boy, Master Aditya Bahekar. Assistant head girl, Miss Janvi Maske.
Sports Minister, Master Aditya Kotarwar.
Safety and Security Minister, Master Atharva Tazare.
Food Minister, Master Vedant Taide.
Health and Environment Minister, Miss Namrata Patil.
Language Minister, Master Meet Goda.
Media Minister, Master Shreyas Nemade.
Cultural Minister, Master Sujay Pise.
Assembly Minister, Master Om Saraf.
Communication Minister, Miss Swarali Zamkar.
Discipline Minister, Master Ruturaj Gavande. The Blue House Captain, Master Anay Bachuka. The Blue House Vice Captain, Miss Maitreyi Gavande.
The Greenhouse Captain, Master Sunny Dhavle. The Greenhouse Vice Captain, Miss Ahana Ginode.
The Red House Captain, Master Shaunak Shingro. The Red House Vice Captain, Miss Saili Raut.
The Yellow House Captain, Master Tanish Korde. The Yellow House Vice Captain, Master Aditya Gurudasani. Let's congratulate our newly selected SRC members with a thundering round of applause.
We appreciate your willingness to serve and represent your fellow students. Your leadership, passion, and dedication will undoubtedly make a positive impact on our school community.
Now, I request Prabhat's Vice Principal Ma'am to make everyone aware about the procedure and code of conduct of this SRC selection process.
Respected dignitaries, dear parents, my beloved teachers and dear students, a very good morning to everyone present over here. Today we are witnessing investiture ceremony. So this is an occasion when we are going to shoulder the responsibility to carry on the school conduct on our future leaders. This is very important event for school and even for students, those who are going to become the part of Student Representative Council today. Because we know that today's children, they are the future leaders. And this experiential learning or the experience to conduct and control the future events, this experience they get from the school itself. So this is the best platform where students, they learn the critical thinking and problem solving ability and becoming the decision makers. So such an event we are going to witness today. We have with us 22 SRC members, and from today onwards, they will be handling such the responsibilities in the school. We have the tradition that a team of leaders, they hand over the responsibility to the new members. So we are witnessing this ceremony today in the school. So these leaders, those who are gracing the dais today, so it's my privilege to share with you all that how they have become the part of Student Representative Council. It was not an easy task for the students to be the part of this council because they had to go through the various procedures, and I want to share with you all that these students, they have been selected by the jury of members and not the elected. So the objective behind the selection procedure is that we want the competent leaders, the students, those who are really committed, the students, those who are competent and they have the skills which are required to become a very good leader, the skills which are required to lead and to become the part of a team. Those who are committed and the vision of the school and objective of the school, those who have a clear idea about that. So that's why we have selected all these students. So we had different rounds for this selection procedure. All those rounds were made clear to all the students before the procedure started. So initially, we demanded the applications from the students, those who thought that yes, I can be the part of this SRC, I am capable and I have all those skills. So for nominations in the first round, we received in all 190 applications from the students from 8th, 9th and 10th standard. So we conducted a written test of all these 190 students on the initial level. The written test, it included the questions. With the help of those questions, we were able to assess the students' awareness about the school policies, about the current affairs knowledge, their GK, their IT, intellectual test, all these things were conducted in the first round, and out of 190 candidates, we selected 41 students to enter to appear in the second round. So in the second round, we conducted personal interviews of all these 41 students. There was a panel of jury which had total 5 senior teachers of our school, and each and every child had to undergo through the interview procedure. So they were asked to answer the questions, so where they had to prove that yes, they have the critical thinking ability, they have the decision making ability, they have the ability to convince the people they are the good decision makers and they can take the quick decision. So such type of questions were asked by the panel to the students, and I'm very happy to share with you all that all the students, they really gave very nice and accurate answers to the panel and they were satisfied. So after this round, all these 41 students, for the next round, they had to enter for elocution. So elocution, in this round, students had to put forth their own point of view on the topics which were given to them by the jury members. They kept in front of the audience their point of view, their communication skills and their oratory skills were checked through this round. And the parameter to become the part of this SRC, it was the students' behavior, their overall discipline, their academic performance, not only academic, but how much they are involved in the cultural, their sports participation, their attitude towards their classmates, towards their school policies, their behavior, their attitude towards the teachers. All these things were one of the very essential criteria to become the part of this SRC. So after this elocution, the students, they were judged, and the most competent and capable students, those who really can become the great leader of tomorrow, and those who really have the leadership skill, and those who really can be the future leaders, such type of students were selected. And today we have with us these 22 SRC members. And I am very happy to share with you all that these are really deserving candidates, and we have trust and we believe that they will prove themselves, and they will definitely have the capability to bring a change. Today they will bring a change in the school, and tomorrow definitely they will be able to bring a change in the society also. So I congratulate all these students to become the part of our newly Student Representative Council. And dear students, wish you best of luck, and you only have the capability to change your dreams into reality. So wish you all the best once again. Thank you very much.
Moving towards the most awaited moment of the ceremony, I would request honorable dignitaries to do the honors of bestowing the SRC members with their blessings and best wishes in a formal manner with sladges.
First and foremost, I would like to call upon our school head boy, Master Vinay Borkar. He is the most energetic and an active student of the school. He is a versatile personality who definitely deserves this honor. We expect from him to handle his responsibility honestly. He has achieved second rank in solo singing competition, third rank in district level rifle shooting competition.
Now, I take the privilege to invite our school head girl, Miss Sara Lahore. She is a very sincere and hardworking girl who has an instinct ability to handle any situation with faith and courage. Calmness is a quality that she is blessed with. She has participated in various inter-school music competitions and brought back prizes. Also took part in the inter-school badminton competition.
Next we have with us our assistant head boy, Master Aditya Bahekar. He is a polite and a sincere boy who is always ready to help others. He tries to give his 100% to the task assigned to him. Punctuality and discipline are his strength. He has participated in state-level competitions for Sanskrit drama and secured the first rank. He is a grandmaster in abacus and also a great artist. He has completed 4 exams in classical music and even participated in Sanskrit Rajya Natya Spardha held at Pune.
Now coming up is our assistant head girl, Miss Janvi Maske. She is an optimistic personality, well-mannered, artist and an entertainer, an all-rounder with exceptional level of confidence. She got the first rank in inter-school Sanskrit group dance competition and has also got excellence in 4th level of Kathak Madhyama Purna exam. She is the charm of our school.
Next, I would like to call upon our discipline minister, Master Ruturaj Gavande. He is excellent in academics, full of curiosity and an analyzer, as well as a critical thinker, a person having friendly personality. He has exceptional leadership qualities and has even actively participated in inter-school rifle shooting matches.
time for our Communication Minister, Ms. Swarali Zamkar. Obviously, with excellent communication skills, she is capable of tackling different situations with an impressive personality. She is humble, creative, and takes the best use of golden opportunities. She has got excellence in 4th level of Kathak Madhyama Pratham exam and even secured a bronze medal in Open Yoga competition. She bagged in 1st rank at Inter-School Sanskrit Group Dance competition.
Next is the turn of Assembly Minister, Master Om Saraf. He has confidence, leadership skills, acceptance to failures, and is ready to overcome all the hurdles. He achieved 1st rank in CBSE Inter-School Band competition and is qualified for states. He participated and led the band group in many rallies and programs. He also qualified for the state in hammer throw. He is the gem of our school.
To call upon the Cultural Minister, Master Sujay Pise. He is a phenomenal actor with humble attitude, good presence of mind, appealing personality, and simplicity is his strength. He participated in state-level Sanskrit drama competition and won the 1st rank and also the Best Actor award for his excellent acting skills. He also participated in Sanskrit Rajya Natya Spardha held at Pune.
Dear audience, let us welcome the Media Minister, Master Shreyas Nimade. It is one of the most important ministry of SRC, and so the jury has selected a polite, responsible and sincere personality who will do complete justice to his post. He is an excellent orator. He has secured gold medal in IMO and several medals and an international rank in IEO examination.
Upon the Language Minister, Master Meet Goda. Fluency in language, excellent communication skills, friendly nature and dedication towards his goals are all the capabilities of this boy. He has secured the 3rd rank in Technology Meet and is an all-rounder student. He has actively participated in various competitive exams and brought Lawrence to the school.
For the Health and Environment Minister, Ms. Namrata Patil. She is creative, sensitive, honest, sincere and a sensible girl who believes that dedication and devotion are very important for an individual. She has participated in various competitive exams and secured ranks and made us feel proud. She has secured 1st runner-up in state-level abacus competition.
The one who will take care of our taste instincts, the Food Minister, Master Vedant Taide. He is a keen observer who acts patiently in difficult situations. He is a sincere boy having friendly nature. He has bagged silver medal in district level boxing matches and has enthusiastically participated in a variety of competitive exams.
I would now like to call upon our Safety and Security Minister, Master Atharva Tazare. He has an appealing personality, having caliber to look after the safety of our school. He is always ready to take up new challenges and responsibilities. He achieved gold medal in Mahatma Gandhi quiz competition and participated in various competitive exams all through the years.
Last but surely not the least, our Sports Minister, Master Aditya Kotarwal. He is perfect for this post because Aditya is a boxer. He is obedient and disciplined student, an excellent listener. He has secured gold medals in the district and divisional level of boxing tournaments. He bagged in bronze medal at the state level boxing championship and various medals and certificates in different boxing competitions.
The Blue House captain, Master Anay Bachuka. He has the capability of taking his house to new heights. A friendly child, excelling not only in academics but also in co-curricular activities. He qualified for national level in National Children's Science Congress with his fabulous project. He also qualified for divisional level in Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vidyanik Spardha. The Blue House Vice Captain, Miss Maitreyi Gavande. An ambitious person with a responsible attitude. She is well-mannered, reliable and confident. She is creative and has great artistic qualities. She got the Rangved Award for her proficiency in arts. She got the second rank in inter-school drawing competition.
Master Sunny Dhawale. A sincere student who is full of innovative ideas and a confident attitude. He is a hard-working and sporting personality who will surely fulfill his role in the SRC. He is also an achiever as he secured third place in the district level basketball competition, participated in divisional level basketball matches twice and brought laurels to the school. Greenhouse Vice Captain, Miss Ahana Ginode. She has wonderful problem-solving skills and is a good observer with a creative mind and also a graceful dancer. She has secured first rank in Sanskrit group dance competition and got selected for the second level of the prestigious Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vidyanik Spardha. She has the district level table tennis competition as well. All of her achievements prove that she is an all-rounder student.
The Red House Captain, Master Shaunak Shingrao. Self-confidence, dedication, spirit of doing hard work are some of his qualities. He is a wonderful artist and a trumpet player. He secured A grade in the intermediate drawing grade examination, secured gold medal in allocation competition and poster making competition, and was also selected in second level of Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vidyanik Spardha. Red House Vice Captain, Miss Saili Rao. Having a learning perspective, a kind and friendly leader who is trustworthy. She is calm and alert in every situation and ready to serve her school. she secured gold medal in IEO, NSO and ISSO exam. She is dedicated to her work.
Yellow House Captain Master Tanish Korde. A responsible boy having ability to maintain a friendly relationship with everyone. He is blessed with extraordinary skills in sports as well as academics and is an enthusiastic listener. He was selected for the divisional level of table tennis and divisional level of chess tournaments. He also participated in district level football matches and even qualified for the second level of Dr. Homi Bhabha exam. Yellow House Vice Captain Master Aditya Gurudasani. Leadership is his strength. He has a good grasping power and is an enthusiastic learner. He got merit in the state scholarship examination, secured bronze medal in the prestigious Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik exam. He is exceptionally excellent in academics and was selected for the state camp in the VVM exam. He participated in various inter-school science competitions and brought laurels to the school.
I request the dignitaries to please take their seats. Ranks and positions are not only to be cherished, but are to be lived up with full zeal and a will to fulfill the responsibilities. The oath ceremony is the solemn promise to uphold the values of our school, to serve with integrity and to work tirelessly for the betterment of our student community.
This ceremony marks the beginning of their turn, and we come together to support and encourage them as they take on these important responsibilities. Today, the oath they will take is a commitment to leadership, teamwork and service.
Let us now proceed with the oath ceremony as we witness our new SRC members of session 2024-25 pledged to serve our school with honor and dedication.
So, I request respected Principal Ma'am to conduct the oath ceremony for the SRC members. First and foremost, our school head boy, Master Vinay Borkar. Our school head girl, Miss Sara Lahore.
I, Vinay Himmat Kumar Borkar,
Sara Vinod Lahore, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a
school head boy,
school head girl that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I, Vinay Himmat Kumar Borkar,
Sara Vinod Lahore, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I, Vinay Himmat Kumar Borkar,
Sara Vinod Lahore, further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the school students' council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Now, I request Miss Arya Rathi to carry the school flag and hand it over to respected Principal Ma'am. She is a former Health and Environment Minister of the last year's SRC. She is also the 14th merit in scholarship exam and also secured the first rank in Vibha Science Camp. She is a calm, sincere, humble and creative girl. Thank you for proudly holding the school flag. Your commitment to upholding our school's value and tradition is evident in the way you carry our flag with pride and dignity. Now it's time for the assistant head boy, Master Aditya Bahekar and assistant head girl, Miss Janvi Maske to take their oath. I request them to please come forward and take their oaths.
I,
Aditya Rahul Bahekar,
Janvi Harish Maske, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a
school assistant head boy.
school's assistant head girl, that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Aditya Rahul Bahekar,
Janvi Harish Maske, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Aditya Rahul Bahekar,
Janvi Harish Maske further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Let's move to the oath ceremony of the SRC ministers, starting with our discipline minister, Master Ruturaj Gawande. I request him to please come forward and take his oath.
I,
Ruturaj Sangram Gawande, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swearing as a discipline minister that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Ruturaj Sangram Gawande, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Ruturaj Sangram Gawande further swear that I will maintain discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Communication Minister, Ms. Swarali Zamkar. I request her to please come forward and take her oath. I,
Swarali Vinayak Zamkar, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a communication minister that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Swarali Vinayak Zamkar, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Swarali Vinayak Zamkar further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Assembly Minister, Master Om Saraf. I request him to please come forward and take his oath.
I,
Om Mukund Saraf, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a Assembly Minister that I will follow my duty, code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Om Mukund Saraf, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Om Mukund Saraf further swear that I will maintain discipline, work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Cultural Minister, Master Sujay Pise. I request him to please come forward and take his oath. I,
Sujay Rajesh Pise, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a school cultural minister that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Sujay Rajesh Pise, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Sujay Rajesh Pise further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Media Minister, Master Shreyas Nemare. I request him to please come forward and take his oath.
I,
Shreyash Prashant Nemade, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as Media Minister that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Shreyash Prashant Nemade, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Shreyash Prashant Nemade further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the School Student Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Language Minister, Master Meet Goda. I request him to please come forward and take his oath.
I,
Meet Vikram Goda, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a language minister that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Meet Vikram Goda, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Meet Vikram Goda, further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
congratulations.
Health and Environment Minister, Ms. Namrata Patil. I request her to please come forward and take her oath.
I,
Namrata Bhupendra Patil, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a Health and Environment Minister that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Namrata Bhupendra Patil, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Namrata Bhupendra Patil further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
congratulations.
Food Minister, Master Vedant Taide. I request him to please come forward and take his oath.
I,
Vedant Shankar Taide, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a food minister that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Vedant Shankar Taide, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends and respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Vedant Shankar Taide further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the school council students for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
congratulations.
Safety and Security Minister, Master Atharva Tazari. I request him to please come forward and take his oath.
I,
Atharva Vijay Tizare, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as Safety and Security Minister that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Atharva Vijay Tizare, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Atharva Vijay Tizare further swear that I will maintain discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
congratulations.
Sports Minister, Master Aditya Kotarwar. I request him to please come forward and take his oath.
I,
Aditya Mangesh Kotarwar, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a sports minister that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Aditya Mangesh Kotarwar, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Aditya Mangesh Kotarwar further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
congratulations.
Now it's time for our house captains and the vice captains to take the oaths.
Let's follow the sequence of blue, green, red, and yellow. I would call upon
The Blue House Captain, Master Anay Bachuka. The Blue House Vice Captain, Miss Maitreyi Gavande. I request them to please come forward and take their oaths.
I,
Anay Pankaj Bachuka,
Maitreyi Mohan Gavande,
the students of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a Blue House Captain
Blue House Assistant Captain,
that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Anay Pankaj Bachuka,
Maitreyi Mohan Gawande,
pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends and respect their views, follow the path of equality and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Anay Pankaj Bachuka,
Maitreyi Mohan Gawande,
further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
Congratulations to both of you.
Now I request Master Rishit Kanani to carry the Blue House flag and hand it over to respected Principal Ma'am. Rishit is the former Blue House captain of last year's SRC team and an active student of the school. He bagged bronze medal in Aryabhatta Ganit exam. Thank you for representing Blue House and holding our flag high. Your enthusiasm and dedication for our house spirit are contagious and inspiring for our upcoming Blue House captain. Keep shining and waving the Blue House flag with pride and passion.
The next house is green, so I request Greenhouse Captain Master Sunny Dhavle, Greenhouse Vice Captain Miss Ahana Ginode to come forward and take their oaths.
I,
Sunny Samir Dhaure,
Ahana Atul Ginode, the students of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a
Greenhouse Captain,
Greenhouse Assistant Captain
that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Sunny Samir Dhaure,
Ahana Atul Ginode,
pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Sunny Samir Dhaure,
Ahana Atul Ginode,
further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
congratulations to both of you.
I request Sana Khadse, our school's former sports minister of the last year's SRC, to carry the Greenhouse flag and hand it over to respected Principal Ma'am. She got the first rank in Division 11 of lawn tennis matches and also is a state player in lawn tennis. Thank you. You are the spark that ignites the Greenhouse spirit. I am sure you will pass this spark to our upcoming Greenhouse captain. Keep shining bright and leading the way.
Moving on, we would like to call the Red House captain to come forward. The Red House captain, Master Shaunak Shingrop. The Red House vice captain, Miss Saili Raut. I request them to please come and take their oath.
Nakparichit Shingrop, Saili Suhas Raut, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a Red House Captain, Red House Assistant Captain, that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I,
Shaunak Parichit Shingrop, Saili Suhas Raut, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views and follow the path of equality and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I,
Shaunak Parichit Shingrop, Saili Suhas Raut, further swear that I will maintain discipline and work unitedly with the School Students' Council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
congratulations to both of you.
Now I request Miss Dehuti Bagle to carry the Red House flag and hand it over to respected Principal Ma'am. She was the former communication minister of our school. She secured gold medal in IMO exam and has actively participated in various inter-school allocation competitions. She is a proficient orator. With every step of yours, you are passing the vibrant energy and passion for holding our Red House flag. You embody the bold spirit and determination of our Red House in the coming house captains.
Finally, we have with us the Yellow House captain, Master Tanish Korde, and Yellow House Vice Captain, Master Aditya Gurudasani. I request them to please come forward and take the oath.
Tanish Nilesh Korde,
Aditya Bhavishya Gurudasani, the student of Prabhat Kids School, swear in as a
Yellow House Captain,
Yellow House Assistant Captain that I will follow my duty and the code of conduct decided by the school punctually. I will humbly respect and obey the school authorities and the constitution of my school.
I, Tanish Nilesh Korde,
Aditya Bhavishya Gurudasani, pledge that I will take care of my fellow friends, respect their views, follow the path of equality, and give justice to every task assigned to me.
I, Tanish Nilesh Korde,
Aditya Bhavishya Gurudasani, further swear that I will maintain the discipline and work unitedly with the school students' council for the betterment of my school and my schoolmates. Thank you.
Congratulations to both of you.
Moving forward, I request Master V. Jaiswal to carry the Yellow House flag and hand it over to the respected Principal Ma'am. He was the Yellow House Assistant Captain of our last SRC team. He participated in abacus competition at national level. Also got merit in NSSO examination. You are the sunshine that brightens up the Yellow House. We strongly believe that you pass your warm smile, energetic spirit and dedication to our upcoming Yellow House captains.
Thoughts are the shadows of our feelings, and words are the mean to express them. With this realistic quote, I would request our newly selected school head girl, Miss Sara Lahole, to express her feelings.
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Well said by Sir Warren Bennis. Good morning everybody present over here. This is Sara Lahode, the head girl of Prabhat Kids School, Akola. Today I am going to express my thoughts upon values of leadership. Leadership is a skill that not everyone is born with. A skill that allows an individual for a greater good of society. Leadership cannot be taught or learned, but it is developed with time. At the heart of leadership lies its several core values that defines its essence. Firstly, integrity. Leaders must uphold transparency and honesty by their actions. Integrity builds trust, which is foundation of any successful organization and relationship. Secondly, vision. A leader must have a clear sense of purpose and direction. A starting vision provides guidance and support at the times of uncertainty to help align efforts to achieving a common objective. Third, empathy, a critical values of leaders. Leadership is not about commanding others, but connecting and understanding the one whom you lead. Understanding the emotions of others fosters better communication and teamwork and decision making. Fourth value is courage. Leadership often requires tough decision making and critical risk taking. Courage enables leader to stand firm in such situations, even in the step of opposition and doubt. Lastly, accountability. A true leader takes responsibility of his or her own decisions. Accountability builds credibility and provides a culture of ownership with a team. In conclusion, leadership is not about achieving goals or holding authority, but embodying these values: integrity, vision, empathy, courage, and accountability. At last, I would like to thank Honorable Dr. Gajanan Nare Sir, Honorable Ms. Vandana Nare Ma'am, Principal Mrs. Frushali Wagmare Ma'am, Vice Principal Archana Belsare Ma'am, Coordinator Mohammad Asif Sir, Manager Abhijit Joshi Sir, my all beloved teacher and my dear parents for supporting me and guiding in my success. I would like to end my speech with the lines of Sir John Maxwell, which states that leadership is not about titles, positions, flowchart, but it is one life influencing another. Thank you.
She definitely deserves a huge round of applause.
We are now eager to hear our head boy, Master Vinay Borkar. Please express yourself, Vinay.
Leaders who are effective are the leaders who are disciplined in their daily lives. Well said by John Maxwell. He also says, a great leader knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. The power of leadership, according to me, the power to influence people, motivate them to change, grow, and achieve their goals. For me, SRC is a supreme opportunity to act as a leader. And when I think about the power or the authority that SRC gives me, I don't think of myself anyone superior to my peer. I think of myself as a representative. For me, this is the true leadership definition. As I am here, not to abuse my power, I think discipline plays a key role in it. Discipline creates habit. Habit makes routine, and routines become who you are daily. Discipline is the soul of student. Discipline in students' life bring excellence in academics, avoid distraction, gain a variety of new skills and knowledge. The value of discipline is the way to do what needs to be done. A disciplined leader is one who exhibits self-control, consistency, and perseverance in the face of challenges. I would like to share my journey. In short, the leader standing in front of you was born in very small age. I used to be in cultural activities. Along with that, what fascinated me was the sense of authority that student council members had. However, as I grew older, what eluded me was the opportunity it gave to contribute to my school. And then finally, we reached the age when we could take on this opportunity to give our best to our beloved Prabhat. That provided us the chance to help bring the positive changes in the functioning of our school in such a way that we contribute to make our school the best place for education. By the quality of leadership, for it, self-discipline was the key. At the end, I will only say, leadership without the discipline of execution is incomplete and ineffective. I extend my special thanks towards the Honorable Director Sir, Honorable Director Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, respected Vice Principal Ma'am, respected Coordinator Sir, respected Manager Sir, my beloved teachers who helped me to achieve this success, a humble gratitude towards all my fellow friends, without whose support this position would have been impossible. I would like to dedicate these lines to the people who trust me enough to lead this way. कदमों को उनका साथ है, कदमों का उनका साथ है, इसीलिए तो बात है, कदमों का उनका साथ है, इसीलिए तो बात है, पहुंचा हूँ इस सुबह की मंजर तक, पहुंचा हूँ इस सुबह की मंजर तक, उस साथ के बिना हर सफ़र धुंधली सी रात है, हर सफल धुंधली सी रात है. Thank you.
Dear audience, let's put our hands together to appreciate him.
It is well said that a great principal builds character, inspires dream, encourages creativity, instills a lot of learning and influence the life of students. We are privileged to have such a multi-talented principal. I would like to request her to guide our SRC members and express her thoughts.
Honorable Director, Dr. Gajanan Nare, Honorable Director Madam, Mrs. Vandana Nare, Honorable Mr. Ashokji Dhere, Honorable Neeraj Avandikar Sir, the authorities gracing the dais, my esteemed teachers, proud and dear parents, and yes, the most important, that my talented students. A very good morning to you all. Today is the mark of milestone, another milestone which we have achieved this year. Dear students, investiture ceremony is the most important event of the school calendar, I would say. The student, those who are gracing the dais today, we are the witness of their happiness. Here, we are the witness of this today's investiture ceremony. Today we have invested the responsibilities in them. We found that yes, these are the students to whom we can hand over the responsibilities to lead, to inspire. And I'm sure that these students will always work with the honesty, integrity, and of course, responsibility. Children, we used to talk about our rights. Yes, we do have rights. Even the invested, these fellows, these torch bearers of tomorrow, they do have the rights. Rights to create a voice. Right to show the path. Yes, right to guide. But along with that, they have some responsibilities too. Now onwards, today onwards, these torch bearers, these prefects, they will be the leader. They are going to lead your voice. Dear students, dear SRC members, you are the voice of your peers. I know that you are going to inculcate the habit of good values. You are going to enhance our school's culture. I know you will have the helpful nature with you. And certainly, you will set an example so that everybody, every student will be like you. Dear student, I am very happy to see you all here along with your parents. Yes, we feel today very much privileged and proud that our children are at this position. But dear students, remember that great position comes with a great responsibility. So don't forget your responsibility. You are the first person, you are the first students among your zone who will behave neatly, properly, honestly, sincerely. I would take this opportunity to address all my dear students, those who are sitting in front of me. I would like to wish them all the best for their future endeavor. These torchbearers or these leaders are always with you. And I know you will be always support them. This support will not only to get the things done, but yes, this support will be always to enhance our school quality. Let's work together. Let's think that this year will be the more achievemental year. Here we will achieve more and more. Together we will work hard. These torchbearers and yes, every leader in the school, we will listen to each other. Dear students, it doesn't mean that somebody at the position be the leader, but yes, you, everyone amongst you be the leader. You can become a leader with the help of your peers. If you will guide any of your friend, you will become a good leader. Try to be a good person by being a good student of the school. I know today's leaders are the leaders of tomorrow's nation. I hope the students will always inculcate the values among them and among other students also. They will care, they will value the culture, the discipline, the conduct of the school. Lastly, I would say that always be stand, always be rise. It doesn't mean that always we should be at a top position, be a good leader. But leader are those who will fall but have the habit to rise again. Dear students, I should take the opportunity to thank our loving management who is always supportive and gives the opportunities, platform to every student, every teacher over here. I also take the opportunity to extend my gratitude towards all the parents, those who are always supportive. They always feel proud and make us feel proud for our students' achievement. Yes, I should not forget extend my thanks to my all the teachers, those who are always in hard. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you so much and all the best for your future.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for your inspiring words. Today, as this new SRC members embark on their journey of leadership and responsibility, your insights have given them a reminder that great leaders don't set out to be leaders, but they set out to make a difference. It's never about the role, but always about the goal.
Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the virtues. So to express her gratitude through vote of thanks, I call upon Ms. Vasudha Gugul.
Good morning to one and all present over here. I, Vasudha Mangesh Gugul,
student of Standard 10th Nobel, on behalf of Prabhat Kids School, is here to thank and to appreciate our all-time supporting parents for their gracious presence. I express my humble gratitude towards our school's authorities for giving this opportunity to come into the role of leadership. I also thank to all the respected teachers and non-teaching staff members for supporting directly or indirectly for the successful conduction of today's program. Now, I request authorities, parents, teachers and all the students to get ready for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय